You're watching Something About Alicia, and I am Alicia, and today I'm going to be answering the most common question that I get. Everyone wants to know how I maintain my locks. Now, it won't be a long video because you guys know that I believe less is more, but I do maintain my locks some way, somehow. So I just wanted to get on here and tell you guys in a formal video how I maintain my locks after retwist. Now, last night I just retwisted my hair. I retwisted my hair last night, and I'm gonna let you know what I plan to do moving forward so that I can stretch my retwist, because you guys know that I like to stretch it as long as possible. When I tell you that I stretch this thing out as long as possible, I had so much new growth, but in a way that also can be bad. So pay attention to your hair, pay attention to certain things like, the thinning, or like if it's like not quite, if it's like starting to combine, or if your hair is starting to get really tangly. You can't wait that long because you could cause damage if you wait too long. So it's good to stretch, but don't stretch for too long. So the first thing I do when I want to maintain my locks is wash my hair thoroughly. I go in, before I wash my hair, I go in, I brush my locks, I separate my locks, and sometimes I even comb through to open up the twist that was there, because your hair isn't locked at the root. So the hair that's just, in there that's still twisted from the last two twists, I want to comb that out a little bit. And if combing it out won't be complicated because it's not going to be locked, but you just want to open that up. So any product that you use the last time that you had retwist your hair, you want that to come out. So I wash my hair thoroughly, whatever shampoo you use. You guys know I like to use Dr. Bronner's, but I wash my hair thoroughly. So after you're done washing your hair thoroughly, you want to after you retwist and everything, you want to make sure that your hair is thoroughly dry. Thoroughly dry. Let me tell you, especially if you're doing your hair at home. If you go to a salon, they're gonna make sure your hair is dry before you go. But if you're at home, like how I do my hair, you want to make sure that your hair is completely dry before you take out your clips. Completely dry before you take them clips out, because you take it out and it's not quite set, it's not quite like, it's not holding all the way, or like you might make it a little frizzy when you pull the clips out. Make sure your hair is thoroughly dry before you remove your clips. So next, you want to, if you're into this, wearing a lock style can stretch your retwist. So some people like to braid their hair back, maybe a fishtail, maybe an updo, maybe like a ponytail or something like that. I actually planned on doing that for this retwist because it's just so hot. It's been like 100 degrees. So I'm actually going to plan on doing my hair in an updo. Well, I'm going to attempt it because I'm not the best at styling. But I'm going to attempt to do my hair in an updo. But you can do that to also maintain your locks. And then once you do that, or even if you don't, you want to always make sure you wear a scarf at night. Always. Always. Always wear a scarf at night. That's going to keep your retwist. It's going to make your retwist last. It's going to keep debris out of your hair. It's going to keep your hair uniformed. Okay, so you do not want to start going to bed without, you can get breakage, like around your hairline, a whole bunch of stuff. Like you do not want to go to bed without a scarf. I personally wear a lock sock. I got it from a company. I believe they're called Lock Sock, and they have a bunch of different lengths for people with a variety of length hair. So you can check them out, or you can get a satin scarf. While stretching your retwist and just trying to maintain your hair, you want to be brushing your locks. Brushing your locks before bed is good. And in the morning, you don't have to do it every day, but whatever makes you feel good. It keeps lint out of your hair, particles, all kind of things. So it keeps your hair looking nice and neat and clean. If you have pets, it'll help keep dog hair out of your hair. If you're sleeping without a scarf, it'll help keep the lint out of your hair. But definitely sleep with a scarf. I hope you can't hear that. Oh man. Anyway. Also, you want to spritz your hair with water and oil. Now, some people just do it with water. Me personally, I don't like to do it with just water unless you're gonna follow up with oil. Okay, so I like to mix my oil in there. I also, my specific bottle has leave-in conditioner. I have a Carol's Daughter, that vanilla leave-in conditioner. I have that in there mixed with some water and a little bit of olive oil. So that's what I use, my little solution. I spray my hair every now and then when it starts to feel like, it could use a little something. I spritz it with that. Also, what you also can do is spot twist. So let's say, your hair is doing good, you're maintaining, but maybe your back is getting a little loose. You can go in if you feel like it. You can go in and you can spot twist. So I would, a lot of my hair in the back usually comes undone faster because my hair gets like wet in the back of my head in the shower. So I will go in and I like twist with my finger. You don't have to go in with a comb and gel and all that stuff and clips, but you can just kind of like go in like while it was moist and retwist it. So that doesn't get out of control, so all your hair can still remain twisted. And even in the top part, like my hair is thickest at the top, so I usually like spritz my hair a little bit, retwist it on the ones that's starting to get a little loose. That's if I want my hair to remain neat all the time. Now you can just let your hair do what it do and just wear your scarf every night, but that's another way you can maintain your hair and your twists. And the last but not least, you guys know what I always say, less is more. The less you do, the more results you get with your hair. Your hair locks faster, your hair maintains, it's gonna look better. You do not have to go out here and change your hair every single day, over manipulate it. You don't want to do that stuff. Less is more, okay? Retwist your hair, maintain your hair, and then let some time go past. Retwist your hair again, maintain your hair. You know what I'm saying? Like, you don't have to do all this stuff. Less is more. Less is more. I've been saying that from the very beginning, and I've been keeping true to my word from the very beginning. Less is more. So before I get out of here, I'm gonna give you a quick view of my hair. If you see a clip on the side, it's because I forgot one. I forgot to retwist that one. I missed it. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. And my next one actually is going to be my 2-year lock journey. So you better make sure you tune in for that one. So I can't wait to see you guys then. Mwah. Peace, love, and light.